1, 2, 1, 2. Hello again. This traditional favourite tells the story of the Irish emigrants back in the day, working in England and building the roads using hot asphalt. It's been recorded by several folk and ballad groups over the years, including the Dubliners and Luke Kelly, Dublin City Ramblers, Paddy Riley, the Mary Wallopers and several others. Now we're playing it here in the open position in the key of E minor, and we've just got three simple chords: E minor, G major and D major. So let's have a look at the strum pattern then. It's in 2/4 time, which means there's two beats in a bar. 1, 2, 1, 2. But we're going to do a down pick, an up pick, a down pick, an up pick. So there'll be 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. With the emphasis more on the 1. 1, 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. So notice it's not your regular even beats. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, and it's 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. The one beat, now for the one beat I'm just picking the bass note, the root note of the chord. In this case for E minor it's the 6th string, makes it very easy. 1, and if you hit the 5th or 4th as well, that's fine. And then an up flick again. Doesn't really matter how many strings you hit, but concentrate on the middle to the treble strings for the ups. Now the 2 beat is a down strum. So the 1 beat is a pick, pick, flick up. The 2 is a strum, flick up. Just want to mention one little embellishment there to use. It's the walking bass. The last line of each verse and the chorus, you could stay on the E minor, that actually works fine. But you could play that actually using 4 chords, but it involves quite fast changing. It goes from E minor to B minor to G to D. There's a much more efficient way, and that's just to do a walking bass run. And that's played as follows: 1 and 2 and. So you have the E, 6th string open, 1 and. For the 2 beat we play the 2nd fret here, the F sharp note. So we go 1 and 2 and for the 1 beat, the next 1 beat, the G chord. And we really only need to fret the 5th and 6th strings because we're going to play. So 1 and 2 and 1 and for the 2 beat then in the 2nd bar we go to the D chord. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. And what you're doing is you're walking up there from E, F sharp, G, and then the 5th string open. You might have noticed also another little short bass run when we're moving from, when we're transitioning from the E minor to the G. and back down again. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 1. That comes at the end of the verse leading into the chorus. So what I'm doing there is 1, the normal strum pattern, and then when I'm going to do the little walk up, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and back down, 1, 2, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 1, 2.